Should I listen my ex after the breakup? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about your ex after the breakup. The number one mistake that you're doing today if you want to get back with the one you love is listening their words. What does it mean exactly? After the breakup, your ex will tell you a lot of things. You didn't give enough attention. You were not enough independent. You were not enough active in the relationship. You didn't give enough sex. Whatever they're saying, we don't care. I have never seen, since 2007, people getting back together based on what their ex said after the breakup. What does that mean exactly? After the breakup, your ex will never tell you what is the main problem. What is the main reason of this breakup? And you need to do an exercise to understand completely what happened exactly. I want you to grab a paper and a pen, and you will use an exercise that I'm doing only with the people that I'm coaching. But today, I told myself, okay, Alex, it's time to give a lot of values. If you want to understand your ex, if you want to know exactly what was the problem inside your relationship, you need to use this exercise that we called the 7 why. For example, your ex is telling you that he or she is not feeling in love anymore. Why? Because of the routine. Why? Because you spend too much time at work. Why? Because you want to give her or give him the best. Why? Because you came from a background where you didn't receive a lot of money or your parents didn't give you a lot of material things. Whatever are the reasons, if you ask yourself why 7 times, you will have the complete understanding about the breakup and about your behavior. And this is where you can start to have a real communication with your ex. This is where you can tell him or tell her, I understand. I really understand today. I know it's not because I didn't give you attention. It's because I didn't learn how to give you love. I didn't express my feelings. And today I'm doing this work. You will be able to show that you will never make the same mistake again and again. And because you're doing this job, you will rebuild the connection, the trust between you and your ex. So today, I want to tell you, don't do this mistake again. Don't listen your ex. You know why he or she left you, right? You know why. You need to use this first reason and ask yourself why. Then you will have a complete overview about your situation. This is a really powerful exercise. This is where, as coaches, we know where you are and where you need to go. If you need some help, come on withmyexagain.com/coaching. Book a private coaching session with me, and we will work to understand exactly what is the main root of your problems. If you can understand the root of your problem at this moment, you will be able to show your ex that you will never do these mistakes again, and more, you will have changed forever. This is where we are in the process of getting back with someone we love. It's about changing yourself, but understanding yourself, understanding your ex emotions, and then you will be able to create the action plan, not to get him or get her back, but to rebuild the trust, to rebuild the connection, and to rebuild the love. Because as I said, 99% will make the mistake because they are just focusing too much on what their ex is saying. Words are not powerful. And this is why I'm doing all of these videos. I want to give you my best, all of my experience, because I know we can rebuild this relationship. If you have a question, feel free to ask me in the comment section just right below. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Love Advice TV, it's a bunch of relationship experts where we want to give you all of our experience. We spend our life on the phone with you. And every time we know something, we learn something, we want to share it with the community. So subscribe to Love Advice TV and we can change your love and your personal life. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.